Hi everyone, my name's Justin Moe, Product Specialist Bobcat. Right here, I have our compact wheel loader. We released these back in 2021. This is, I'd say, really our first ground up design wheel loader we have done. This was ground up design, like I said, in our Debris, Czech Republic facility. So to really start off, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the compact wheel loader market here in North America. So this market has been growing the last few years, especially we see it in the agricultural, construction, and landscaping areas, especially with this size model. And to get into the size models we do have right here, we do have our L85. This is a 68 horsepower, 1-yard loader. We also have a L65, which is a 55 horsepower, 7/8 yard loader. Now, when I talk about yards, I am referring to the standard bucket capacity for the standard bucket on these machines. So the standard bucket for the L85 is going to be a 1-yard bucket. What we see here is actually our light material bucket. We did come out with CWL specific attachments for our compact wheel loaders. Along with that, this does come standard with a power bob attach on all of our wheel loaders. That means you can throw a lot of your skid steer, track loader, and other attachments you currently own on this wheel loader. And speaking of attachments, all of our wheel loaders do also come standard with auxiliary hydraulics. And optioning up to the cab package will also add a 7-pin attachment control device to the machine. Now, to kind of work our way back, this machine does feature a Z-bar linkage. This gives better breakout forces, and also gives mechanical load leveling up and down with the machine. Coming back further on the machine, one thing I really like to highlight about these is going to be the cab. We really went for an operator-centric cab and taking the updates we had in our R-Series loaders and excavators and integrating that into our compact wheel loaders. So here we have our mechanical suspension seat with seat mount joystick. This is standard on all of our units. We also feature the Bobcat 5-inch display, which is the same as what we have on current excavators and loaders. And as you can see, some of our controls laid out here do follow the same layout as our skid steer and compact track loaders. Now, one thing I want to highlight here is going to be our joystick. This joystick is a multi-function joystick that really has all of your controls you need. Your forward, neutral, and reverse right here, your auxiliary controls, your 2-speed. This is a hydrostatic machine with 2 speeds. You have your lift arm float and your diff lock. Now, this machine does come with an open differential, but with the ability to fully lock both front and back wheels. Another thing I would like to highlight coming to the back of the machine is going to be our engine bay right here. Now, all our CWLs come with a 2.4 liter Doosan Bobcat engine. And as you can see, we really wanted to make an easy serviceability experience. As you can see, is a nice layout here. You got all your components here: air filter, hydraulic fill, access to your hydraulic pump, the engine, and a lot of the components here, along with your fuel filter and fuel fill being off to the right side. Now, bringing down the cab cover here, you can actually see on this one we have our rear view camera. This will output through our 5-inch display up there. This is a dealer option that is available. Along with that, at the back here, we do have a retrieval pin for any scenarios where you do need to retrieve the machine. And then I'd like to highlight also the LED lights. We have 2 in the back, 2 in the front that come standard on all of our machines. And then also talk about some of the options we have on here is this machine right here has our cab package. Each of our wheel loaders today come with either a cab or a canopy package. So what you get with that cab package is going to be automatic ride control, a 7-pin attachment control device, windshield washers and wipers, and you're also going to get that automotive style rear defrost back there. That's actually really nice for applications, especially like snow removal. Overall, I'd say this is a phenomenal machine. I'm really proud to say I was part of the team that helped develop this, and I think it is a really great addition to the Bobcat lineup. And I'd say if there's any more information that people would like to know on these units, please visit the Bobcat website. We actually did revamp our website. We have marketing materials and more information on these, along with contacting your local dealer to get more information on these units.
Who do you see as the ideal customer?
The ideal customer for these, I'd actually say, so we're at Farm Progress today. So speaking in the agricultural sector, these are really good for dairy and beef cattle operations, you know, cleaning out barns. It's got about an 8-foot height to it, so you're getting under a lot of barn doors. And also, you know, digging into silage or loading feed wagons.